Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm having a very bad cold over the last, this is day 4, so for the last 4 days I have been, don't do that honey, I have been coughing so hard that I can't stop coughing, and there's really nothing I can take. I don't drink tea, I'm not a honey person, I don't drink coffee, but I did have hot chocolate this morning. It helped me. I just got to keep up on my liquids. But as you guys know, I am so close to ending my pregnancy, or not ending my pregnancy, being done with. I have just had zero motivation. Yesterday I was so sick, I was just tired. I didn't have anything, I couldn't do anything. So I had a friend who said, "Is there anything you want me to do?" I says, "Yeah, you could get me motivated to clean." I've been pretty good at cleaning until now. I mean, if you guys see my belly, it's there. She's always pressing up on it, and I'm having a hard time walking now. So I am just sick of this place being a mess. I haven't had time or the motivation to keep up with it. So in this week's cleaning video, I'm just going to do a lot of basic cleaning. Husband and I still have to build the baby stuff, which I'm hoping we do soon. He's like, "Well, I can just build that when she's born." And I'm like, "No, Benjamin, don't do that." I'm like, "No, because I'd rather just have it built." I want to really get the changing table up the most, so I think I might even just say screw it and build it tonight so I can start putting stuff in there, because I want to get all her diapers and all that stuff figured out. But I'm going to show you guys my main living room of the house. This is where we spend most of our time. I want to show you guys what I want to work on today and till the end of the week. So here is my messy house. And yes, you guys will be like, "Well, Benjamin helps." I yell at him to help. It's a lost cause. I have zero motivation. My kid is spoiled. I'm just going to give you guys a heads up on that. But I'm going to go through all of his toys later on. I'm just not doing it while I am pregnant. But as you guys see, I mean, it's not super bad. It's just a lot of, I mean, Ben opens stuff up and can't throw garbage away. So, and like I said, it's hard for me to bend over and pick stuff up. I ask him to do it, and he just runs away. So I want to have this area clean as a whistle. I want to get all of his books out of here. He keeps taking all of his books, and he's into reading books lately, and we just put them in a box. So I want to get those out of here and put them on a bookshelf up in his room.
No!
Yes.
No!
My kitchen table is a mess, as you guys can see. We don't need our winter jackets anymore, so I want to put the winter jackets away. Look at the dishwasher. I halfway emptied it. I'm going to actually finish this right now, but I'm still on the verge of emptying it, and then I got to load it and rerun it. So, want to get rid of that. Other than that, yeah, it's just a mess. It's just a mess. That's all I'm going to say, but I just want motivation to clean this up. This is what I want to clean the most before I have the baby, because I only want to focus on her room next. So, my friend's going to be here in about... Sorry, you guys. My friend's going to be here in about a half an hour. So, I'm going to get some stuff started. And then when she gets here, we're just going to clean. So, that's what I wanted to share with you guys right away. For this week's cleaning video, because it's going to get harder and harder for me, but I still want to share with you guys that. Shut the door, Ben. But then, you know, when she's born, I'm going to really start picking up some more in the basement. We're going to clear out the whole basement after she's born, because I'm having a rummage sale soon. So, want to share with you guys on that, but other than that, let's get cleaning. Hey everybody, so today is Saturday. I'm going to be late posting this video because I just been kind of, husband and I have been super sick. But we are going to clean today. We've been picking up, I mean, you guys can see there's a difference, but we've been on Ben's case to pick up like crazy. We did build the changing table, so we're going to get that all set up. But I do want to pick up a lot of this stuff, and Ben's being a stinker. It is snowing outside. We're supposed to get up to 8 inches of snow, but I will believe it when I see it. There's Benjamin. But, yeah, right now we're just picking up.
Well, I'll be a butt downstairs as I
You're being a butt. But we're just trying to clean up today. Today's just the day where we're going to clean up. So I'm going to take you guys around the house and just kind of show you what we're working on.
It's snowing, Mommy!
Yeah. So, but my main priority right now is the kitchen. I just got done cleaning the kitchen the second time already today. It's only 1:30 and I've already cleaned it up twice. So we're going to clean that up. Ben's going to pick up all of his toys or they're going to go in the garbage.
No, they're not, Mommy.
So that's what we're working on. So on to the next cleaning.
Okay,
Okay, you guys, so I cleaned up the living room. I mean, this is considered clean for us. But I cleaned it up. Ben helped out with a lot of arguing with him. But he was saying he was tired, so I'm like, okay, I'll lay down with him. So we made like a little fort in the living room. And I ended up falling asleep, and he stayed awake. So I
fell asleep on Mommy's chair. Now I fell asleep.
Yeah. So I just took like a 2-hour nap, but I really needed it because I don't sleep very well at night. And now it is snowing like crazy. It is just crazy.
Yeah, Grandma's the garage. Shut the door.
Yeah, Daddy's outside. But it is snowing like crazy. We're supposed to get up to 8 inches of snow. I'll believe it when I see it. So we will see. It is starting to accumulate on the ground, so it might start sticking. But it's just kind of a bum day today. I'm making something to eat. I want to work on her room a little bit, but I just don't have any motivation, you guys. I'm just so tired. I got like 2 weeks left to go, but I am just like tired and drained.
Ding, ding.
Ben Tungeon. My mother-in-law did get me a little gift basket of goodies, so I got some teethers and some socks and a robe and some outfits, so I'm going to try to get that stuff all situated and opened up and cleaned out. So I got some toys for her. And then one thing I do want to work on today is laundry. I did all the laundry, I just got to put it away, but this whole this whole thing right here is full of Ben's old clothes, like when he was a baby. So I want to put it all in hangers. A lot of it's boy stuff, but I don't care. So I just want to get it all hung up and put in her room. Yeah, so that's what I want to work on definitely today, and then putting laundry away. Graham's going to go out with his friends later tonight, depending on the weather, because it's his birthday weekend. We're celebrating with him tomorrow and on Monday. But right now, I'm just so tired. I'm weak. I'm hungry. I'm in pain. So I'm just going to take it easy. But other than that, that's all I want to do. Another thing I am going to do in a little bit is this is the stairs going down to the basement. I'm actually going to vacuum the stairs in just a little bit. Graham took the vacuum from me. So in a couple minutes, I'm going to start vacuuming that up. But I'm just going to take it easy with cleaning this week just because it's a bum day. But, I mean, I feel like we got a lot of stuff done. I really wanted to make sure we got the changing table set up, but Ben's already taken over it with toys. So that thing is when my brothers were little. We've had that since my brothers were little. So I'm going to keep on cleaning and show you guys something else. This because it's like 6 o'clock at night. I'm usually already have my videos posted, but it's just one of those days where I just want to lay back. I'm out of breath, but I just vacuumed the stairs. I think I'm going to wash the windows, but that is what we got for snow. I know we're supposed to get like 8 inches, but I don't think that's going to happen. So other than that, I'm cutting this video short because I am out of breath and I want to get some other things done besides cleaning. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully next week I have more stuff for you guys. Yeah, I just walked up the stairs, so there's that. I'm doing some more laundry, so I'm going to put all that away later tonight. But again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.